Hey y'all, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my favorite beauty hacks. So it is only right that I start off with a head wrap look. This is my go-to style when I want to look cute on a bad hair day, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to be taking this DIY crochet faux lock wig. I'm going to take my favorite scarf and I'm simply just going to tie the scarf into this simple, really quick and easy top knot. And then I even went in with some string to accessorize it a little bit. Definitely feel free to use any kind of wig you would like, straight, curly, kinky, synthetic. You better make this style your own and embrace that finesse, okay? But hold up, I even grabbed an elastic and threw them locks into a bun and created this really cute boho look too. So definitely get creative with these looks, but make sure it's secure. And that brings us to hack number 2, which is SCENTBIRD. For those of you who are not familiar, it is a monthly perfume subscription service in which you pay only $15 a month for a 30-day supply of a high-end perfume. Now, this is a great way to discover new scents without breaking the bank, and it is perfect for those out there who really like to switch it up when it comes to their fragrances. And this is what each perfume looks like. I received Elizabeth and James Nirvana in both black and white, which is a bold yet sweet, kind of unisex fragrance. All of the fragrances come in this really sleek sprayer that you just twist up and spray to use, and the vials can be placed right back into the case and switched out. They do have over 450 designer fragrances that you can choose from, and they also just launched their own line of scented hand cream, scrubs, and shower products that smell amazing too. So if you receive one product per month, you can select a hand cream or body scrub instead of a fragrance to try as part of your subscription. So if any of you all are interested, be sure to use my coupon code KILAH30, and I'll also link this down below in the description box. Now on to hack number 3, which is how to revive that dry old brow pomade or gel eyeliner that's just been sitting in your makeup collection for months, but it's just completely unusable, just dry, just crusty, just done. So for this, all you're going to need is some eye contact solution or eye drops and a tool to mix with. I'm going to be using the end of this old makeup brush. So I'm simply just going to add several drops to my pomade and mix it together using my makeup brush. Now, I would highly recommend cleaning up everything with a wipe or paper towel once you're done. I've been able to revive so many things using this method. Like, it's just so clutch, and it will make your product work just like new, I promise you. Hack number 4 is this really simple, easy, cheap DIY beauty sponge holder. All that you'll need for this is just a plastic egg, which can easily be found anywhere, the dollar store or wherever, for super duper cheap. But all you do is open up the egg, put your sponge in there, and then boom, you have an inexpensive way to store your sponge and protect it from any dirt or bacteria. And you can literally throw it in your purse and go. And the last hack I have for you guys is press-on nails, of course. If you know me, you know that I'm all about that press-on life. So I picked up these champagne color nails from Target along with some glue, and I got it popping. I already do have a couple press-on tutorials that you can check out right here for more details. I even found these really cute decals that I added to them to you know, give it a little flair, you know what I mean? But you literally just add some glue to your nails and you press them on, and then bam, the salon look for less. So that's it, y'all. Let me know which hack you will be trying in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.